Honorable, Honorable Prime Minister, Honorable Chief Minister, and members of the audience. I can't make a speech in Hindi, so I shall try to communicate with all of you in English. The message will be the same. It will be from my heart. Today is a very important day in the history of the state of Assam. It is a day that raises Assam to a higher level in terms of health care and treatment of cancer that has not been experienced by the other states in the country. It really is a day that cancer, which is not a rich man's disease, is being equipped to serve and treat the millions of people that are inflicted. None of this would have taken place if it had not been for the insight and futures of our enlightened Chief Minister, who has been the driving force in this entire activity. And of course, none of this could ever have happened without the support and the earnest desire to give Assam the recognition it deserves, and that would be our Honorable Prime Minister. This Prime Minister and his government have achieved many great advances, and it is humbling and at the same time a question of great pride to know that this event today is the culmination of many months of very advanced thinking. I shall not bore you with more statements. I should just say that today असम का बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट दिन है। आज असम दुनिया को बता सकता है कि इंडिया का एक छोटा स्टेट वर्ल्ड पावर्स में ट्रीटमेंट के लिए, कैंसर ट्रीटमेंट के लिए आज इनॉग्रेट करना चाहता है। और ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर और चीफ मिनिस्टर और मिस्टर मोदी का गवर्नमेंट को मैं थैंक यू बोलता हूँ कि आसाम को भूला नहीं, आगे बढ़ेगा। और मैं सच हार्ट से ट्रीट करता है कि ये स्टेट आगे जाएगा और इंडिया का हाथ एंड इंडिया का फ्लैग और इंडिया का दिल से ये स्टेट आगे बढ़ेगा। Thank you very much. And thank you, Mr. Prime Minister and Mr. Chief Minister and the government for all that they have done. I dedicate my last years to help make Assam a state that recognizes and is recognized by all. Thank you very much.